What's up, YouTube? It's Glamour by Trina. So I ordered some hair off of Amazon, and first, y'all, look at these contacts. My other contacts had it, and they were hurting my eyes, and these are the only pair I had left, and I don't know how I feel about it. I need to get some more. Anywho, so I've already like halfway opened the box, but this is what I have, and let's see. So it comes in this little pack, little Ziploc, and comes with a wig cap, a mesh cap, and you got, and y'all even know, I have to look and see where I ordered it from, because usually there would be like a card or something in here. There's no card. They would want to do that for business, but dang, I don't know what happened to the light. Hold on. That's better. Okay, so it's from Gem Beauty, GEM Beauty Brazilian Body, 12, 14, 16 inch 1B color. So 12, 14, and 16. So I'm gonna open the 12 first. I want to see how thick it is. To the west. I guess it's okay. It seems a little thin, but let's take off the okay. It feels like really soft. Seems like sliding it down, and that's doubled, so I guess it's okay. I'm gonna have to color it black like my hair. Honestly, y'all, like, I really want to do like a half up, half down pony, not half up, half down weave style. All right, guys, something happened to my camera. I don't know. Anywho, I want to do like you know, the half up and the rest down style with like sewing these in. But honestly, I just don't know if I have it in me. I still have like a lot of work to do on the paralegal side before I leave to go out of town. We're going to Louisiana tomorrow, and it is already like 6:30, and I still have to pack and do all types of stuff, and the boys have to do videos. So I guess I'll just show you what I use for my black, like my best ever color for black. All right, guys, so I went to Armstrong McCall, which is a store for hairstylists with a license, and it's the only place I can find that stuff. But here's what I use for my black, best ever black, and it's the PM Shines 1B Jet Set. And I use it with my PM Shine's processing liquid. Ratio is 1:1. And I put it in a mixing bottle. Hold on. I was cleaning this one out, but yeah, this type of mixing bottle, and that's what I use. So I guess I'll do that now, but it doesn't look like I will be sewing my hair in for Louisiana, because I don't know, maybe I just need a monster or something, y'all, but you know I'm trying to get off of those. But I have so much to do. Anywho, stay tuned. I will show you guys how I color my extensions to black. Bye. All right, guys, so I have one of my bundles here, and I'm going to go ahead and mix my color, which is 2 ounces, with the processing liquid. So because I know this is 2 ounces, I'm going to add 2 ounces of the processing liquid. Shake it up. Alrighty. I'm gonna mush it all in there. This is pretty close to black though. I'm gonna see if it makes it change much more. If not, then I won't do the rest. just make sure you get all the way through. I'm here. Huh? Might leave brother alone. A video. A video. I need you all packed, Jalen.
Yep. I got like top pairs, a jeans, and then shorts. And so
Socks,
yep.
underwear. Okay. All right, guys, let's see what it did. I probably should have my gloves on. Okay, let's compare.
No!
Yeah, I'm thinking that's a big difference. Can y'all tell?
Stop! Stop!
Yeah, that's pretty black. Rinse with cool water with color so the color will lock. right, here is the color, y'all. It's pretty black, very black. It's always gonna be black with that PM Shines. It's a difference, vaguely, but this is a 1B. Yeah, I'm gonna let the conditioner sit in this, and then I'll rinse it out. But that's the end of the video, guys. I just wanted to show y'all how I color. It's a black. It's not hard. It's just the color is really good. And I'll do a video when I install these. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.